All right, we're going to learn how to multiply multi-digit numbers or get a refresher course on it. And multi-digit numbers, it doesn't matter if it's two or three or four, it doesn't matter. It's done the same way. You just keep adding rows. Let's get started. 6 times 8 you do is 48. So I did 6 times 8. Now you do 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 4 is 40. Now I'm done with this 6. I'm going to erase all of these, which is fine. Now, this row, I'm going to put a 0 here because that's what you do. You put a 0 at the first digit there. Then you do the 2's. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now, when you get here, you're going to add these two rows. You get 8, 6, 7, and 1. And there's your answer, 1768. This one is done the exact same way, except we add one more row because it's got three numbers. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I'm going to get rid of these carryover numbers so I don't get confused. And I recommend doing that also. Now I'm going to put a 0 here on that second row. Now I do 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And again, I'm going to erase these carryover numbers so I don't get confused. And now I'm going to do the 3 times each one. And this row is going to be two zeros. So every row you go, you add one more 0. All right, 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And I'm going to add these three rows. It gives me 0, 13, carry the 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. And that gives me 8. So 80730. I can put a comma here to make it 80,730.